Have you ever wondered why some relationships seem to thrive while others falter? It's a conundrum that has puzzled many. Welcome, and let's dive into the intriguing world of relationships. The foundation of a strong relationship isn't built overnight. It's a laborious process of understanding, compromise, and above all, communication. These elements, when combined, form the bedrock of a successful relationship. Firstly, understand that every relationship is unique. It's a distinct blend of two individuals, each with their unique quirks and idiosyncrasies. Therefore, don't compare your relationship with others. It's like comparing apples and oranges, quite futile and unproductive. Now, let's talk about the importance of communication. It's the lifeblood of any relationship. Open, honest, and transparent communication fosters trust and mutual respect. It's essential to express your feelings, thoughts, and concerns without any hesitation. Remember, bottling up emotions is a recipe for disaster. Another crucial aspect is compromise. Relationships are not a one-way street. They require give and take from both parties. Compromise doesn't mean losing. It means finding a middle ground that satisfies both parties. Next, we have understanding. Try to see the world from your partner's perspective. Empathy goes a long way in fostering understanding. It allows you to appreciate their feelings, thoughts, and actions, leading to a deeper connection. Respect is another cornerstone of a healthy relationship. It means accepting the other person for who they are, with all their strengths and weaknesses. Disrespecting your partner or belittling them can cause irreparable damage to the relationship. Lastly, keep the spark alive. Relationships, like everything else, can become monotonous over time. Therefore, it's essential to keep things exciting and fresh. Regular date nights, surprise gifts, or simply spending quality time together can do wonders. In summary, building and maintaining a relationship requires effort, patience, and dedication. It involves open and honest communication, understanding, compromise, respect, and keeping the spark alive. Remember, every relationship is unique, so don't compare yours with others. Instead, focus on nurturing and strengthening your bond. So, embark on this journey of love and companionship with a clear understanding and an open heart. It may not always be smooth sailing, but it's definitely worth every effort. After all, a successful relationship is one of life's most rewarding experiences. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of relationships. Until next time, keep nurturing your bonds.